A new standard for the POCT analyzer. Humasis HUBI QUAN-PRO. HUBI BPHScreen testing tutorial. First, test procedure. Open the sealed pouch and take out the test device. Choose Run Test from the main menu and press the Enter button. Insert the kit inside when the tray opens. Second, specimen collection and handling. For a venipuncture whole blood, collect the blood specimen in EDTA-coated vacuum tube. Using a micropipette to add 30 microliters of blood into the buffer and mix it several times. For a finger puncture whole blood, use the lancet and capillary tube to collect the specimen from the fingertip. Make sure to fill the entire tube to avoid foaming. Put the capillary tube into the assay buffer and shake more than 10 times so that the blood specimens can make it out. Then, give it another big shake downwards 2 times to gather all the diluted specimen towards the lower surface. Third, test procedure. Obtain the specimen using a suitable micropipette and drop 200 microliters of the specimen into the sample well. Press Test button and wait for 10 minutes. When the test is complete, the analyzer will display the results on the screen and print the results. Make sure to dispose the kit already used. Warnings and precautions. Do not use the test device beyond the expiration date and must follow the guided instruction for testing. Technical or procedural errors may interfere with the test and cause false results. As with all diagnostic tests, a definitive clinical diagnosis should not be based on the result of a single test, but should only be made by the physician after all clinical and laboratory findings have been evaluated. A new standard for the POCT analyzer. Humasis HUBI QUAN-PRO.